I think it's a lifetime opportunity to be on Survivor. I think it would be a dream once I think it comes on air. I think it would be a dream for every man to be there and experience that kind of life once. Because more than anything, we have mobile phone, we have AC, we have a lot of luxuries, but with them comes a lot of complications, a lot of difficulties. I mean, this phone, it's all the time ringing, you have BlackBerry, all the time people are messaging you, and it's a nuisance. Trust me, when you go and you romance nature, you feel so happy that these things are not there. There's no work stress, there's no family stress, there's no friend stress, there's no girlfriend stress. During our Survivor challenge, I said one thing which we would really fight for was food. I mean, it was only the fight for food because, I mean, I'm telling you, a man is living with no salt, no sugar, no masalas, nothing in his life. I mean, there's nothing. And you have the most basic food being given to you, that also ration. So that, even if you finish that, you can stay hungry. For example, we stayed hungry for a lot of time. We had no fire to make food for us. So I think it was primarily survival, was how to live your life without any of the luxuries, and how with the most basic things can a man survive and come out victorious. If I come to a technical breakdown about how much a person can stay here, the initial first few days, maybe you can cope up with it because there's a lot of food, there's a lot of fat in your system, there's a lot of things that you have done. Maybe you can cope up with it for the first 7 days, or you might break down in the first 7 days. That's what I give I give anybody a period there. After, if you survive 7 days, then comes this challenging 7 to the 17th, the 20th day, where if you survive that, because towards the 18th, the 20th day, you get to this monotonous, because I'll tell you, there was this one point of the show which I wanted to give up. I just wanted to quit, because not having any flavor, not having food, not having sugar, I don't know what all was going inside my body. So there was one noise coming that leave it, just go back and live your normal life. But if you can push through day 20th or day 25th, then eventually towards the end, you start enjoying everything so much. You start romancing nature so much that you can last for no matter how many ever days. Just like Tom Hanks did in Castaway. All I can say is Survivor is one show where you'll see that man, always where people have the kahavat hai ki, you know, the strongest organ he has in his body is his brain. All I can say, if your brain is strong and if your mind is strong, you have no idea what all can you overcome. So that's Survivor for you. It's a very interesting phase in the show, as you are going to see common man going against the celebrities. And there's a very obvious assumption that we feel that celebrities cannot survive such extreme conditions, but you're going to be very surprised to see the celebs perform and kick the asses of the commoners. But all I can say is, I think a common man like you and me might really find it difficult, and I think anybody would find it very difficult surviving there. Because often when we hear some poor stories, people talk about this man who lives on roti and pyaz, roti and mirchi. I will have one thing to say. I said at least they had pyaz, they had roti, they had mirchi. We had none of that flavors either. We had nothing. We didn't even have that much to eat. So yeah, it's very difficult. Surviving in such a condition is really different because it's really changing your life suddenly. It's, as the show says, it's basically a man today going to being a Stone Age man, you know, how evolution began, how man used to live, how there was this time on the show when it rained continuously for 24 hours and we were completely wet. And you know, घर पे कहावत है कि if you get wet, तुम्हें pneumonia हो जाता है, कुछ हो जाता है. I said, हम में से किसी को कुछ नहीं हुआ. So there's so much of resistance which is built in within us, with so much of simplicities in life. When I come out of the show, I just feel कि हम अपनी life में luxuries को लेके अपने आप को बिगाड़ लेते हैं. जितनी simple रखेंगे life, उतना आप strong रहेंगे internally.